We lucked out last night and were allowed to stay on the Brown County Fairgrounds. We had this covered shelter. We knew it was going to be raining sometime soon, so that's my tent drying out quickly. That's Keith and John. We're just hanging out here, waiting for the rain to let up a little bit before we proceed.